will I get support if I join LiveGood? Good question. It's really up to you because there's already support available just on video alone. And I think you'll appreciate that because a lot of times when you join an opportunity, or obviously if you get a job in person somewhere, you have human to human training about how to build a sandwich, how to drive this, how to assemble that, how to program this. But when it comes to a home business, you've got to learn certain techniques about whatever you're selling. And sure, it could be an Amazon product or it could be digital information. All right, with LiveGood, it's kind of a two-way thing, a three-way thing, a five-way thing. You're going to be checking out some really good health and wellness products. It's a wholesale company through membership, $10 a month or $100 a year, super affordable. If you want to be an affiliate and make money, it's only $40. Isn't that awesome? Super affordable, let's be honest. Okay. Are you going to get support if you join? And like I said, it's up to you because there's a thing called YouTube and there is so much training about how to market and how to make yourself interesting on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, could be YouTube like what you're probably watching now. But it's really up to you because if you can sit back and relax either on your cell phone or a home computer and watch video, I think you can be successful. And I know damn well you can, because what's funner than kicking back, watching your cell phone, checking out fart videos on YouTube, or watching some badass movies on those apps, okay? So the support is already there. Sure, there's human interaction. There's a lot of us. I'm somewhat of a team leader. People that sign up in my downline, I enjoy kind of being a little bit of social this and social that, and I'll send you some clips or some advice. I send out an email every couple days with updates, and Lord knows I do enjoy making YouTube videos. But, if you're in my downline and I've got a few hundred people or a few thousand, obviously there's not enough time in the day to do that. But if there's video available and you know how to search, how to do this, how to do that, if you just put the keyword LiveGood in your search just on YouTube, there's probably some really good advice about what to do. Honestly, all you got to think about is this with LiveGood. Can I get someone to click? That's it. If you have a business card and it says pleasewatchvideo.com, that's all I hand out. I don't do anything else. I let the videos and the websites do all the talking. I let Nodder and Ben, our CEO, and our two doctors that design all our products, I let them kind of talk about the real hardcore details about things. But I enjoy just making video, chit-chatting with you guys a little bit, and just saying, hey, you know what? Pleasewatchvideo.com. Give it a shot. If you like health and wellness products for wholesale, that's awesome. How much is the membership? I tell everyone, $10 a month, $100 a year. You can use all the products for 3 months if you don't like them. And I mean, use every bit of that protein powder, all the CBD oil, put the whole bottle underneath your tongue. And if you don't like it, our CEO says you get your money back. Just send it back and they will cheerfully refund all your money up to 89 days and 11 hours and 59 minutes. Isn't that awesome? It stands behind the product. You can go on our website and check out the ingredients, how much. It's that clear. Go to GNC, go online, go to Amazon, go to Walmart. There's plenty of places where you can just price compare. That's what I did. I came to LiveGood as a user of the products first. The affiliate was just fun. When I found out for $40 that I can direct people to make money at an affordable rate, that the success rate I believe in, so it don't matter what anyone else believes in. If I don't believe in this company, it's just like a traditional MLM, let's say, like an Avon, Amway, Mary Kay, Tupperware, man, USANA, join the list. I don't do it. I'd rather go do a lot of other things, about 6,000 other things. But with this company, I know you can do this. I'm not going to waste my time. I say that in almost every video now. I don't have time to waste. I know you can do this. You will get support because if you're watching my video, that's probably what you want is my advice or at least another 20 to 30 other people out there that might be doing video. Which I like because you can get my personality. You can see, look me up. I'm all over the internet under my real name. And I do value your opinion of me. Just like if I was in your living room or you were in mine and I said, you know what? I think if you invested $40, it's worth it. And if you got $100 for a membership or 10 a month, invest it in yourself. I think it's worth it. And if you believe in that, then let's do some business. Let's get you some money. Let's get you some nice products. And then if you believe in yourself and your techniques of being, like I said, I'm not saying you're boring. All I got to say is your posts have got to just have some type of interest where people will just click something or type in a domain and let the company do everything else. I mean, seriously, that's all you've got to do with this company. I think it's easy. And this is all my opinion. I got to make disclaimers now and then, because when you do make a bold statement, it's good to say, well, in my opinion, or this and that, especially when it comes to money. But is it worth my time? Yes. Is the pay plan good? I think extremely well. It's awesome. It's pay that makes you feel good. And you can start paying bills, cell phone bills. You can start paying apartment or mortgage bills on a home. And if you keep following through month after month, 6 months, a year, invest a couple years of your time into this business and let things just organically build. Just like getting cement, you got the foundation. Now put some 2x4s and some badass wood to frame that house. Get some other things to make walls. Top it off with a roof. Then before you know it, you're calling the carpet guy to come and maybe some windows. That's how I look at this business. Just build it organically, and it can go fast. If people start believing in you and liking you and trusting you, they will start joining your downline because of your video, because of your post. There's a lot of trust there. I do feel nervous sometimes when I go to bed because I know exactly what I do in video. Sometimes I'm a horse's ass. Sometimes I'm just kind of more like right now. I just want you guys to take me serious. But I do have a lot of humor. I'm going to produce a car show right now and take pictures and video and surround myself with some really badass cars and some nice people. But I wanted to make a video just 10 minutes before I leave to welcome you aboard if you do come. And if you just go to pleasewatchvideo.com, you don't have to join. It just locks you in, and you can look around our website, kick around, go search the internet for all the information that you need. And if you want to make a deal, man, what an affordable deal. You're making a deal to enhance and better yourself. I just know I honestly believe this. That's all I can say at the end of the day. I honestly think you can do this to where it'll be a form of entertainment. And when you start making money, man, you're going to be super excited. So, all right. Well, thank you for your time. I love making video, and I hope to hear from you or see you in the downline, or at least lock in. But just one more shameless promotion, if you don't mind. Pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay. All right. I'm going to point up, and there's always a video ready to go next if you want to click one. All right. You guys have a good day. Thank you.